Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Ephraim, and if you found this channel, congratulations. This year it's going to be packed and I'm so excited to be sharing with you so many things I've learned over the years as a software engineer. I have so many things to share. I've been doing this for almost a decade, and I felt it's time for me to come out here to come and share my knowledge with you. So this channel is going to be dedicated to everybody, whether you are a beginner in software in your software journey, or you are a mid-level junior, or a senior dev. Whoever you are, you can find anything on this channel. This channel is not necessarily going to be based for projects, when I say tutorials. No, there's going to be the channel is coming to teach and help break the myths around development and how to properly utilize the ecosystem around the development community. I think back in the day when I started development as a junior dev, somewhere back in the years, there were so many challenges I faced that if I had the opportunity to meet or get the information right from the beginning, it will have advanced my journey in my learning career and pushed me a notch further into my development journey. But so many hurdles that had to be overcome by going forth and back on with sometimes no direction. Yes, and literally these are some of the things that I would want to bring solutions to. We'll break down we'll take it step by step. For number one, begin from project setups, how to properly plan your projects from the very basics, whether you also is going to tackle everything from HTML, CSS, all the way to high proper architecture and DevOps. And then from there we are going to be starting projects from the ground up, where from React, Next.js, React Native, backend course, project startups, so that we are able to see the flow of work, how to properly plan your projects, then your file structures, and then your code editors, the best tools and best practices that you can use to properly advance your journey, and then the right knowledge that you need to get you ready for the market. Trust me, there is a difference in working on solo projects and vibe coding and doing production ready softwares and applications. It's a different ball game altogether, and many other times you don't get to hear some of these things, but it's the truth. What you do personally as a dev, or maybe when sitting by your laptop, is different from what you do when you join a company. Maybe companies have, so I have a startup where there are rules and regulations governing the projects that we do. Each project is determined by the stack, by each project we determine each stack based on the complexity of the project, what can help do the project very well. We look at security, optimization, scalability, performance. These are some of the major things that you look at when you are doing a system. So the knowledge you gain from maybe doing your personal projects may vary, and sometimes you get to positions where you find yourself wanting, because of the limited information that is out there for you to consume when you are beginning your journey. And I feel like it's time for me to come out here and not necessarily coming to teach you from scratch, but helping us come together and break the myths about around development. So One of the issues we'll be tackling is the error handling, how you properly break down your errors. There are days where you get an error, you'll be on it for 2 months. I'm telling you, it's not a lie, it's not a joke, especially when you don't know. Now that the internet has advanced, sincerely, even with how AI has evolved things, I can tell you AI can even make your life worse. Yes, without the right tools and the right prompts and commands, AI can make your. I think I've gotten to a point where I only use AI to help me do certain specific things, sincerely. And we talk about how we can use AI in our development and our journey. Many people believe that AI is coming to take over from. No, AI is never coming to replace it, because there is the same developers that are building the AI. So AI is really coming to advance the work developers do. It's not coming to take the work away from developers. So these are some of the things that we'll be talking about. We'll talk about sorry, excuse me. And then we'll do real life projects together. We'll do some of the projects that I'm currently working on. You can see my screen. And these are some of the test projects that I'm working on. Doing the testings and making sure that everything is working well. And then push it to production and all of that. So if you found this channel, thank you and congratulations. And this is an opening section for what is to come. So watch out this space, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Share the link, and let me know in the comments what you'd want me to. What are some of your problems and solutions, questions you'd have for me, you'd want us to discuss about and talk about. And you can email me. Everything will be in the comment section in the down of this video. So you can email me with your questions, and you can also follow me on Discord, and then we'll pick things up from there. Thank you and congratulations, and I wish you all the best in your career and on your journey to becoming a full-fledged software developer. Thank you. Bye bye.